Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check shops on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's My Phony Village, and in the home screen you can find so many buttons. You go to the store button at the lower right corner of the screen, and here click to the third icon at the lower side of the screen, and you can find different shops: the apple stand, the grocery, beer shop, carrot farm, honey stand, and the others. And you can use if you reach the highest level in the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.